guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. From the title you already know what you are going to be doing today. It's this side swoop blunt hairstyle. So if you are interested and you want to see how I was able to come up with this, then you should definitely keep on watching. And oh, by the way, if today is your first time stopping by this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Please click on the subscription button to join the family, and also click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video. So hey guys, something just happened right now and I'm so mad, like I'm literally pissed off. I started filming this tutorial because I really wanted you guys to see this video, this tutorial. I was so much passionate about it. I started this video to this stage, and only for me to realize the camera wasn't recording. Like, I remember pressing on this button, like the video button to start, and even pressed it to end, and I can't find the footage anywhere. I don't know what's going on. I have searched through my files, the video is not there. Like, I'm just praying that after this whole thing, after I'm done with this whole video, there will be a way to retrieve it or see the progress that I've made. And I don't have a file to even show you the beginning of what I did to even get to this stage. So I'm just going to quickly run you guys through with what I've done so far, and then I can continue with the rest of the video. So I started off with a freshly washed hair, and then I did this curved, like a U, semi-U pattern here. I didn't make it too perfect. Then I left out these hair around here, and then this side as well to do my edges. So with the hair itself, I added this got to be glue as my hair gel. This is what I used. I sprayed it on the hair like this, and then I used this comb to comb it and then get everything spreading evenly. And then once I was done, I used the rubber band to hold it, and then on top of this blow dryer, I dry the hair in. And I left this side out as well because this is what I'm going to use to do my side swoop. This ponytail is going to be a side swoop ponytail. So I left this side here, which I haven't yet worked on it. So probably if I don't get the other footage, you can get this footage. And yeah, I just braided my hair like this so that I'll be able to wrap my extension around it to this side to make the ponytail. And that's basically this whole hairstyle. So yeah, that's it. Let me just quickly continue. I want to cry. The hair that I left out for the side swoop was like a lot. Don't be like me, guys. Just leave a little hair and you would love the end result. So this is me trying to place the hair as I want it, and I'm trying to move up my hands all around it to see if it would be perfect. Then I went ahead to spray my got to be hairspray on the hair, and then I'll go ahead to use my rattle comb to brush it all in and spread the product in evenly. And then once that is done, I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry the hair in, and basically that's it for the side swoop. Moving on, I'm going to do my edges, and as you can see, I have no edges, guys. I've been trying to grow my edges for the longest time, and this seems not to like grow. They're refusing to grow. So I'm just trying to create something here. I'm just trying to create something here so the hair can come out really nice. Yeah, after that unfortunate incident, I wasn't really feeling the hairstyle anymore, but hey, I got to do what I got to do. So yeah, I'm just trying to create some baby hairs, and once I'm done with this, we'll go ahead and attach our extensions to the back, and we'll be done with this hairstyle.
This is how my pony looks once I was done with the side swoop and my edges. Moving on, I'm going to use this hair bundle that I had lying around. I used 2 bundles in 8 inches. If you have longer inches, guys, use it. That's the best. And then at the end of the day, you just use your scissors and trim it off. But because mine was like the same length, I couldn't get the bob effect or the blunt effect really like how I wanted it. So yeah, if you are looking for the blunt effect or the blunt really nice one, try and use like 10 or 12 inches for the ponytail, and then you can use your scissors to trim it off to make it really nice. And use straight hair. If you saw the bundle that I used, it was a body wave, so it had this kind of wavy texture in it. Use straight hair in order to get a very nice blunt cut. With this ponytail, I didn't sew it, I didn't use glue. All I did was to use bobby pins to secure the weft onto my real hair. That's my natural hair that I braided. I just placed my bobby pins inside to hold it, and that was it, guys. This is the best and easiest way to do ponytail on yourself. Don't stress yourself trying to sew it. Don't stress yourself trying to use glue. If you can't, fine. If you cannot, use bobby pins to hold it. And my sister, it will not remove. The hair will not move. It won't go anywhere. I had this in for like 6-8 hours and it was still intact till I took them off. So here I'm wrapping the second bundle of hair, and once I get to the top, I'll be using my Got2b gel to hold that in place and use a bobby pin to secure the last piece. And then I'm just going to use this brush to brush it all in. Try to pick a piece of hair from the back and wrap it to hide the rubber band that I did. And that's basically it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the hair, trim it, and we are done. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as I did try to create it. If you have any video suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And until next week, stay fab. Don't forget to share this video and also subscribe to my channel as well. Until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome. Bye, guys.